In Rwanda, the welfare and rights of children are paramount. In a concerted effort to strengthen the justice system for children and adolescents, the Institute of Legal Practice and Development, in collaboration with the National Children Development Agency (NCDA) and UNICEF-Rwanda, have made groundbreaking steps. A postgraduate diploma in child justice and 6 short courses related to child justice have been developed, covering key areas such as child psychology, juvenile justice, and the protection of children's rights in the digital age. These courses are designed to equip professionals working with children who are in conflict or in contact with the law. Since the program's launch, 820 professionals from 11 targeted institutions, including police officers, prosecutors, judges, lawyers, and more, have been trained. The training focused on raising awareness and building skills to protect children's rights within the legal system.
What the diploma and the short courses does is to ensure that there is the linkage between the child protection sector, particularly looking at the child protection professionals both at frontline and at police level, as well as the justice personnel, to have this cross-understanding amongst them, that when a child is within the justice sector, they remain a child.
Since the launch of the short courses and the Diploma in Child Justice program, legal professionals have testified to the immediate impact the program has had on their daily work.
The Child Justice program helped me to better understand the unique needs of children in conflict with the law. Before attending this course, it was difficult for me to communicate adequately with children in sensitive situations. Now, I can approach these cases with empathy and knowledge.
Mbere yuko dutangira amahugurwa kurebana n'uburenganzira bw'abana, ntabwo twabishyikiraga neza, ntabwo twabyitaga uko bikwiriye, nta nubwo twabyumvaga neza. Kumva twasaba ko abantu bose bafite aho bahurira n'abana bakwiriye kubona aya mahugurwa, kuko n'abakoze amashuri courses ntabwo modeli zose bazirangije. Twumva twifuza ko n'abatarashobora kujya muri iyi porogaramu y'igihe kinini, buri bose bakazagira igihe cyo kuzajya muri iyi porogaramu kugira ngo dushobore gutanga ubutabera bunoze kuri abo bana.
As an employee who is working in National Rehabilitation Service, we struggled on how we can better rehabilitate children. But after attending this course, I have developed an understanding on how I can better provide psychosocial support to these children under rehabilitation.
The program also launched 2 executive intakes with 64 students in total. The first intake has been completed, and these professionals are now champions of child justice in their respective fields.
We had to exactly go through programs related to the child psychology, social development, child rights, different challenges that characterize the grounds and the field of child protection and child rights protection. And we've been familiarized with different instruments that are used to protect children and protect their rights. And we may say that definitely all people who have attended this course will work and perform differently from the way we were doing business.
Procedure for children must be different with the procedure used for adults, because interview for them is very complicated. It requires the judge to have this knowledge.
The program didn't stop at training. ILPD is now assessing the short-term impact these courses have had on participants in their work environments. By addressing the complex psychological and legal needs of children, the program is building a justice system that protects the most vulnerable.
Child psychology was so crucial, and in this perspective for investigators, because it drew a nexus of child offenders and the different abnormal behaviors, but also as a failure of the normal process. If parents neglect or maybe miss out parenting, the real parenting that is required, children will definitely also miss out that concept, because they'll have to look for the other options of getting the support, of getting the care that they missed out of the parent.
Psychologie de l'enfant twize ubu ni nyinshi, kandi ituma mbasha kumenya uburyo mfata umwana nyuma y'aya mahugurwa, kuko mbere bwo ubumenyi bwo kumenya uburyo umuntu yafata umwana bwari bukeya. ubu icyo dushyize imbere ni uko ibigomba gukorwa byose mu mategeko tugomba kwibanda ku nyungu z'umwana.
Umwana afite uburenganzira bwo kubona ubutabera buboneye. Rero abantu bahugurwa baratandukanye kandi mu by'ukuri biradufasha nka NCDA niba umunyamategeko ahuguwe, umucamanza, umugenzacyaha, umushinjacyaha, abo bakagira ubwo bumenyi, tuba twizeye neza yuko umwana wese uzaba anyura imbere azabona koko ubutabera buboneye nk'uburenganzira bwe.
As a result of training on justice service provided to justice sector professionals, a child convicted of defilement was for the first time given a suspended sentence.
Experts leading these courses emphasize the importance of continuous learning, and the feedback from participants highlights the need for ongoing support and resources.
The justice program is not just about training professionals, but ensuring that children's rights are safeguarded throughout the whole justice process. Together, ILPD, NCDA, and UNICEF-Rwanda are building a future where justice for children is not only a goal, but a reality.